here in the PVL.
Let's see if that will spell the difference for the Solar Spikers. Makatuno, the set to Cruz. Troncoso covers. Chini Arroyo. Toromal, a secondary setter. Ginoo, that was too tight. And here comes Arroyo, dog by Toromal.
Great big.
Cruz stretches for that one. Chance ball, Capital One. Makatuno, the setup for Leila Cruz. And that one was dug up. An ongoing rally we have here. Bump set. Cruz. Bump set this time for Gonzaga.
Oh, what a dig.
And it's still ongoing. Jove Gonzaga again, this time breaking the block. And putting
Early substitution, Jarrell Singh back in. I think this is a good substitution.
Niegos with some power.
That's what they create. You know, they made an early substitution, put Jarrell Singh in, and then it changed the complexion.
Makatuno, Estrella. Jarrell Singh from the back. Mondoñedo covers. Bump set, Arroyo blocked. Gail Pascual goes long. Oh, what a hit by Gail Pascual. No easy hits here as we are tied at 5. Pascual from the open. What a luxury to have a Gail Pascual. And Gagate is now serving, 6 serving 5 here. Genesis, difficult angle. Mondoñedo jump set. Gail Pascual nabitin.
Deep. That's why you can see the reach over the net.
Clemente de Guzman. Slide attack, this time for Gamit. Who has been quiet as of late. Estrella, nope. Mondoñedo, 1-2. And that is outside.
Yeah. Pascual and Agamit.
Clemente de Guzman, a hard hit.
Oh, good save.
But it is still alive. Can you believe it? Another one for Des will not go. Quick for Gamit. Joust middle. And Des Clemente de Guzman says, finally, bumaba ka na, please. The first set, all over 8 points coming from the first set.
Well, you did say in the second set she was silenced, you know, with great defense.
And there's that blocking again, right on cue. The blocking on Jarrell Singh. Huge adjustment. Taste the rainbow on that attack. Arroyo. They've been targeting Des from the back, and finally they get the point they wanted. Good job.
Yeah.
Slide attack, Niegos. Pascual says, I'm right here. Gagate on the quick. Tight, Singh. It's Arroyo, Pascual, and Gagate.
Boy, they've been serving tough, talking about Zeus.
Capital One struggling with their receives. Hindi pa sila nakaset up ng magandang play. But Iris Tolenada is back. Here comes Jarrell Singh. Jarrell Singh is 12 serving 17. Tolenada covers. Counter. Estrella.
Keep hitting, keep pounding.
Over received by Trisha Genesis. Dug by Toromal. Tolenada goes back row, Singh. Dug by Arroyo, that is. And Toromal couldn't be reached by Iris from sweeping this game. Chance ball right away for the Thunderbells. Cloan Mondoñedo to Pascual. Covered at the net. To the slide, Gamit. And everything is just working on the way for Zeus Coffee. Even those little putting an end to the 3-game losing streak.
What a serve.
Jarrell Singh with some power. Dump down, not yet. Can this be it? Kate Santiago putting it away.